Assalamu Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to yet another video of Skoolknit. It's about the unboxing and I'm sharing my experiences of the Nutripot or the Instantpot or the Smart Pot, whatever you name it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. So I bought this NutriCook Smart Pot Instant Pot in Amazon Prime sale, and I did get it for a good offer, Alhamdulillah. So here I'm opening the box and I will show you what all it comes with. As I open the box, I see there's another box of NutriCook, and you see next level cooking. So I'll share with you my experiences and I'll give you the review of it. But for that, you need to wait and watch till the end of the video, and also what all I have cooked and what all can be done also I will share with you. But that you have to wait and watch till the end. Okay, so these are the things which the Smart Pot comes with, the Instant Pot comes with. I'll open and show to you. Do you see the yummy food? And can we make all this food or not? Do watch till the end. So I'm opening the box. As I open the box, I find a user guide. So it was both in English and Arabic. I live in a Gulf country, so it comes with both English and Arabic. So this is a handle, and where in for which part also I will show you as the video progresses, inshallah. Okay, so this is a glass lid and the handle was for the lid, and we need to fix the handle of the lid. It does come with the screws. So here it is, the Instant Pot, the latest version of a pressure cooker. It is just like a rice cooker but has multiple purpose to it. So as I open, I'll show you all the things which comes along with it. Okay, these are the silicone gloves. There's actually 2 pieces. This is a steaming rack. So this is a sealing ring or the gasket. This is the extra one. Already the machine comes with one, and this is an extra one. Along with it is a rice paddle and a soup spoon and a measuring cup. Now this is a cable which you need to attach with the machine. And this is a stainless steel pot. Actually the Instant Pot comes with 2 types. I got the one which is of stainless steel. Also there is one available with non-stick. I prefer to avoid non-stick as much as possible, so I got this with the stainless steel option. And you see the bowl, the stainless steel bowl, it comes with a measurement also. See the measurement. So this is the cooker base, and it is actually 1200 watts, and the different options which you can use this for is like to make soup, beans, meat. You can see them: bean, meat, egg, cake, saute mode, steam mode, yogurt, oatmeal, biryani, rice. Also there is like pressure level where you can select the level, and the pressure cooker, slow cooker. So this is the from the guide. This is all the same specification what I've said. That's what is mentioned. Yeah, at the end I just want to show all the things that comes along with this. This is the condensation collector, measuring cup. Now I'll show you what all I've cooked, and there are many which I've cooked and I couldn't take the picture. This is mandi which I made. This is the chicken ka salan I made. I made once biryani, and I have also made idli in it. If you're confused why the idli is in purple color or brown color, I make healthy idli and dosa batter. So if you're interested in its recipe, of course please do comment and let me know. I'll share with you. So in fact, for those who are living in a cooler country, they can use this instant pot for fermenting the dosa batter also. So it ferments fast. Once I made namkeen gosh pulao, fried rice, halim, sambar, and I've actually made a lot of things and I couldn't take a picture of. I also made paya ka salan in it. So you can follow my recipes and make it in Instantpot the same way. Now coming to the review, I personally will give this 5-star because this is, as it says, next level of cooking. It indeed is a next level of cooking. It has made my work a lot easier. The two kitchen products which I have bought, this and air fryer, both are like 5-star, and it has actually changed the traditional way of cooking, and they're healthy also. So I have made a lot of things and I've started making a lot of things instead of the gas stuff, and this is one product which is, I think, the must buy. People who are working, who are studying, who are busy and cannot spend much time in kitchen, this is really for them. And it is and you can make a lot of things, and at times when you have to cook early in the morning, you can put it in slow cooker at night, and ta-da, when you wake up the food is ready. I am personally in love with this product. So here comes the end. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Assalam Alaikum.